Hey everyone, David here with Headset Advisor. Hope you're doing well today. And in this video, we're going to show you all of the accessories that you can get for your Plantronics Voyager Focus. I'm going to show you each of the actual manufacturer part numbers along with a picture of it. So let's get started right now. All right, so taking a look here, there is a USB micro USB cable, and that just allows you to charge the headset if you don't have a charging base. So it's a micro USB that connects to the headset and then plugs into the computer, or you can plug it into this wall outlet down here. If you would prefer that, that charges it much faster than plugging it into the computer. Then you have this BT600 USB adapter, and just so you know, I'm going to put a link to all of these products in the video description below, so it's just easy access for you. Okay, so this is the BT600 USB adapter, and what this does is it connects to your computer to give you all of the advanced features that you would want on this headset. So it makes it optimized as best as possible to connect to your computer, and it will give you things such as remote call control. So if you get a phone call on Ring Central or Zoom, you can just press a button on the headset and wirelessly answer and end the calls. It's the biggest feature of why you need these dongles. That is the way that I see it. You also get things that, like the mute button, will actually engage the mute button on the software rather than just on the headset itself. All right, so you can also get replacement leather ear cushions. Of course, over time, the ear cushions on this Plantronics Voyager Focus will wear out, so it's nice that you're able to replace them when needed. You can also get a carrying case, a replacement carrying case. And then also you could just buy this charging stand standalone, and there's USB on the other side of this cable. So that can plug into your computer or into that wall outlet that I showed you earlier. And keep in mind that USB cable built into this charging base is only for charging. It is not for connecting to your computer. So just be very clear on that. It charges only. You have to have that USB dongle in order to connect to your computer. All right, then you have the BT600 that is the USB-C version. So if your computer utilizes USB-C, you can always buy that Bluetooth adapter. And then you have the AC charger that I mentioned before. All right, one thing that was not on that list is a replacement battery. So that is one downside to the Plantronics Voyager Focus UC, is that it does not have a replaceable battery. So when that time comes that your battery is no longer working for a long period of time or not sufficient to your needs, you're going to need to get a new headset. So just keep that in mind. Like I said before, I'm going to put a link to all of these products in the video description, just so it's nice and easy for you. Also, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you need help finding a headset, there's hundreds and hundreds of options, and we do this every day. We help people find the right headset absolutely free, whether you buy from us or not. So I'll put our contact information in the video description below, or you can just live chat with us on our website or send us an email or even put a comment. We do look at all of the comments on these videos and will respond. Well, that's all I got for now. We'll see you next time.